Well, since it's 110 degrees today, we decided we're gonna do an EREWHON Smoothie taste test. So I invited Nathan, Ashley, and Carrie to come join me on this smoothie taste test. We're gonna rate them 1 to 10, 10 being the best and 1 being the worst. That's
Malibu, lavender, pitaya, and Hailey. What's it taste like?
Like heaven. 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
Yep.
All right. Yay. The Hailey Bieber.
That's pretty good. I'm gonna give that 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
All right, blueberry lavender.
Okay.
Taste tested by Danny. That cup looks very small compared
Oh, no.
No?
4.
4?
Too sweet.
4. Blueberry, you failed us.
All right, it's made out of dragon fruit, which is what that P word is. I'm awake. I'm gonna give that like a 4 out of 10.
And the winner is the Malibu Mango. Hailey Bieber, you get second place. So if you're in the Gura Hills or the Calabasas area, let's go to EREWHON, get some smoothies, and check out some houses.